All right. The first question is it okay to video record you?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
All right. Introduce yourself.
Oh, my name's Marv Hurt.
Come and ride along with Hawkeye and Jeanne as they continue their journey on the road in a converted cargo van, visiting cities, communities, towns, and other places of interest to determine what is really going on in the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. Who is in business and who is not? What is the new normal way to live? Then report back to you with these videos. That is what Hawkeye's Tales and Trails is all about. I am Delmer, the narrator.
Wow, look at that mountain there.
Is that Mount Rainier?
Isn't it? It's beautiful.
Episode 50, and more, is about time Hawkeye and Jeanne spent in the Columbia River Valley area and a visit with Jeanne's older brother and his wife Joni. They have been married 40 years. They live in Centerville, Washington. They own and live on a 35-acre property in a rural area. There are lots of wild animals that hang out on their property plus Louis. Here is a video of a herd of 6 deer on their property. Hawkeye was the best man and Jeanne was the maid of honor in their wedding back in 1981. Their first outing is to the Mary Hill Winery. Mary Hill was the wife of Sam Hill, whose name is used to describe bouts of frustration. The story of Sam Hill will be mentioned later by Joni in the video.
The whole world has been put on hold for a lie.
Yeah.
You probably have some kind of theory about that.
Still got a mile to go.
Okay, slow down now.
Yes, dear.
Don't give me your... I couldn't read it, so whatever. They have a long, long driveway.
Yeah, this says we arrived. They didn't have the house number on the street.
There was something on the mailbox, I couldn't read it. You went by it too quick.
Okay.
It doesn't have cattle. But look at the next driveway.
This is it. 865. Right?
Wow, wasn't that the address I said?
Yeah.
Was it? No, you're wrong. It's 37.
No, don't fuck with me, man.
Well, you don't listen to me. Don't fuck with me. Okay, there's the probably little guest house, maybe. That we're pulling up in somebody's yard, we don't know about that.
Could happen.
Maybe that's the one we're talking about. It has a gate that's shut. Look at there. Couple something. Those are.
Mine shafts.
Oh. Yeah, looks like a house. There's a pickup.
Is that pipe?
No, that's not a pickup. So, I'm gonna sit here for a minute while I just get a hold of him. Okay. Just in case it's the wrong address. It was from memory. What can I say?
I don't like to trust my memory.
That's really cute.
Hello?
Marvin!
Yeah.
I think we're here.
I don't know. I think you might be in the wrong driveway.
Okay, that could be.
I don't see nobody in my driveway.
There's this cute little shed here with the horns on the front of it.
Oh, is he home?
That might...
Oh, there you are.
Oh, is this your place?
Yeah.
You like my little cabin?
That's real cute. That's real
The
cute.
house is down there.
Oh,
That's
God.
my workshop.
Oh, that is adorable. You can clean that out and make a B&B out of it.
Yeah, I know it. You know, when I first set it up, I had people wanting to stay in it.
Yeah, it's cute. They like tiny houses these days.
Yeah. So,
Where do we park at?
if you'd like, you could drive down there, and I'll let
Okay.
you go in front of me. That way you can get on level park if you want to park on level. You know.
Yeah.
Parking on level's good.
Yeah.
Go down there for now, and we'll figure out where you want to park later.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, down there. Level. Park on level. Give me a break.
I got a back end.
Okay. That looks adorable. And then we got another little place. I hear Lewis too. Watch out. That would be an awful. Don't we get out?
No, it's quiet.
Okay, you're going in shadow. I can't see.
Just keep backing it till we hear something.
Yeah, like Louis.
Yeah, I see Joni.
Slow. Okay, that's good. That's good. We don't want to make a new opening. Okay. All right. I can make sunglasses over here. Hey. Hi. Lewis. Come on up. You want to come up?
How you doing?
Pretty
You
good.
made it. This
Yeah.
thing is much bigger than I knew.
Yeah, it is.
It's
Oh, thank you.
It's really good to see you. I'm so glad you're here.
I'm so happy too.
How are
This is
you?
adorable. The strands are gold.
Oh, it's adorable. It's not so adorable,
The
but
cabin. This is great.
it's kind
You
of
get snow here?
it's more adorable. Oh my God, do we get snow here? We get snowed in here.
Oh,
we
you
get
do?
oh, we've been snowed in.
Go ahead.
We're no tour yet. You guys can come in the cabin.
It's just,
Oh, that's,
you pick everything up. Got the wood.
Check it out.
yeah.
Microwave.
Oh, yeah.
I have a convection plate that comes
Nice.
out.
Really?
Goes up on the counter, and I think the ceilings in the counter are my pride and joy.
So how do you
Kind of.
power your microwave? Do you have like solar?
It's gotta be
Yeah,
short
yeah.
power though.
We got solar panels up on top, and then
Yeah, I
And
love
then it
the wood
charges-
ceiling.
yeah. If I want to check the battery charge here real quick, I got a little gauge here that tells you how charged it
What
is.
kind of wood is that? Pine?
Yeah, it's shiplap is what they told me. Whatever that is, I don't know.
I
But I
like
think
it.
it's pine.
Yeah,
And
it's
then I asked
great.
for butcher block for the counter, and of course I never chop on it. And my cutting board.
Yeah, we
Oh,
got
yeah, it's
satellite
beautiful.
TV, microwave.
Wow.
Little
You got you actually